Hello, my name is Nelson Delgado. I'm a certified body code and emotion code practitioner, which is a form of energy psychology, and I also incorporate the divination system that can assist in realigning and empowering you and providing self-study questions that can help you realign to what brings you joy and what can reduce resistance in your life. In this emotional intelligence series, I'll be talking about the fear-based emotion of anxiety. Now, anxiety has a purpose. It's not a negative emotion. It's meant to essentially help you focus and complete tasks. If we didn't have anxiety to surface, then we would generally can put things off indefinitely or not feel any sense of responsibility to get things done, or to be prepared for anything that's important, such as a job interview, an exam, a wedding, even a residential move, because all of those require planning. So anxiety is definitely something that we need to remind us when things need to get done, and it comes up in small amounts of intensity when we're given a deadline for something that we have to prepare for. But it will get stronger the closer we are to the deadline if we have not taken action. So anxiety, brings the gift of foresight. It's going to give you that task completion energy. It's going to give you that that reminder from your conscience that if you don't prepare for something soon, the ramifications is that things will probably not work out for you or the way you'd like them to. And basically it's like a procrastination alert system. So the questions that anxiety is going to bring are, what brought this feeling forward and what really needs to get done? And so when you are planning for important events, or you're setting goals. So if you want to start a business, well, there's going to be a lot of things you're going to have to prepare before you just begin selling stuff or providing services in exchange for money. You have to have a lot of, you have to have a premise, you have to have a point of view, and you have to bring a sense of value to the person that you're trying to sell these products to. It has to be something that is unique, that is different from other providers of some sort of similar product or service. Or let's say you're preparing for a presentation, for a meeting. You have to have all the data, all the facts to support the data, and a plan that you can recommend to take action on, and that is sound and is based on the facts, and also has some sort of intuitive guidance that says, this is how I feel we should go, but I would like to have the opinion of other people in the room, so that when the presentation is done, the entire room is well informed and can make the best decisions moving forward. So everything is about planning regarding anxiety, getting ready, being prepared. It's not a bad emotion. But if you're feeling anxious and there isn't a reason to be, for example, all the things that need to get done around the house are done, or for the most part are done, and there's some outstanding things that can get done, but aren't necessarily a rush. But if anxiety is still keeping you riled up to do it, you got to do it, it's probably something that's based on past unresolved anxiety. So if you even feel it coming out of the blue and you don't even know what it's about, it can often be a reminder from the subconscious mind that unresolved anxiety energy needs to be released. And this is what I help people do in a very non-invasive way, where they're subconscious can provide yes and no answers to what energy needs to be released, whether it's even nervousness associated with that anxiety, hesitation, maybe even confusion. And if things aren't working out, you can have anxiety team up with depression, which is what I'll discuss in a later video regarding when the two work together in tandem and create a feedback loop that essentially debilitates you. So I hope you liked this video about anxiety, and that you understand that if it's coming up because it's been to prepare for, and you've done everything that you needed to do in order to prepare for the event upcoming, then definitely ask anxiety that it can, or to be released, and engage in a conscious effort to release that anxiety. Once you feel you are completely prepared for what's to come, whether it be a deadline or whether it be a list that you have to finish completing tasks on, or an event such as moving or an exam that's coming. So anything you need to prepare for, once you're done, consciously, repeatedly ask anxiety, thank you for getting me prepared for this day and for starting early so that I can feel comfortable and confident moving forward with the task at hand. And that's it. The guest has come, it has brought the message, you've heeded the message, you've taken action, which is what emotions are about, and now you can say, I free you from me. I free you from me. You may be on your way, and you can come back when priorities need to be made in order to get the next thing done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Share with a friend who has challenges regarding anxiety. And thank you very much, and I look forward to providing you more helpful videos in the future. And the next emotions I'm probably going to be talking about are going to be the sadness family emotions, which anxiety and depression can sometimes team up and become a tag team that's really difficult to overcome. Take care. God bless.